Extensions with Azure Polygel and dual forms in this video coming up. Hi, I'm Anastasia and I will need dual forms and Azure Polygel. They have light pink and dark pink, which is a little translucent, also nude color and natural pink. This is the one we will be using. Also, I will need the brush with a spatula, base coat and no wipe top coat. First, we need to measure the size of the dual form and make sure it fits the size of the natural nail. Then we will remove the surface shine. Today, my model is my 17-year-old cousin Natasha. Thank you so much for assisting me. So I'm not doing any manicure, so please do not mind the cuticle. Then we apply the base coat. Make sure you're not touching the skin. If you did, clean it before curing it in the lamp. Cure for 30 seconds in LED. After that, I will apply polygel into the dual form and with the brush I will start the application. Once I feel that the product is sticking, I'm using alcohol. Compared to other brands of the polygel that I tried, I have to say that this one is closer to thin consistency, which is great if you're just getting started, but you cannot work for too long. Now we set it on the nail and turn it around. Make sure you clean all the underneath of the nail and make it smooth, and if something squeezes out, clean it. Then we flash cure it with LED lamp for 10 seconds and fully cure it for another minute. And we're almost done. Now I am shaping the nail with a hand file, sidewalls and the shape, but then I noticed that accidentally I did some nails longer than the others, which is okay, it happens, and that's why I switched to the e-file just to make it faster. I'm also filing the cuticle area with e-file, but this gel is super soft that I actually thought that you can do it all with a hand file. Except for the last part where we will need to file the product underneath the nail like this. Now this one is definitely more comfortable to do this with electric nail file. Like I said, the product is closer to thin consistency, so you need to work a little faster than usual. Then we seal the product with a top coat and cure for 1 minute in LED. This is the no wipe top coat and here we go. We are ready. So this was really fast. This is how it looks with the natural light. So I also really like the light pink and the natural pink colors. This is the one we use. And now I want to show you how it looks with the natural lighting. So we recorded this outside. I like this product. Now it's been 2.5 weeks and we didn't notice any product lifting, but keep in mind that this is also very important to do all steps properly: nail preparation, product application and filing. Let me guys know, what do you think? Have you ever tried Azure Polygel and what is your opinion? If you are interested, I will leave all the links down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you're first time here on my channel, consider subscribing as I post new tutorials every week. And I will see you in my next one. Goodbye!